Today we are in my 2002 Honda Accord 5-speed. Now, I made a video, my last video, I was working on my Lexus, took the head off, but I showed it in there, talking about how I'm gonna make some videos about this. Today, we're just gonna do a little POV drive and maybe a walk around. Now, there ain't too many mods done to it. There is coilovers, upper control arms, and cold air intake. I do have this is a sedan, and I have the coupe front bumper swap, and then I also have new headlights. Now the bumper I still have to paint, but else than that, it doesn't look too bad. The car's honestly in really good condition. It's also slow as fuck. There's not a lot of videos of people building the Accords. Now, I would way rather have one of these over a Civic, because I did the leather interior swap, and this thing's pretty nice. Like, the wood with the leather, pretty clean. Only thing I didn't do was swap the dash, so you can see a difference between the two colors. But, I mean, power, like, everything. Now, I don't think the Civics come with, like, power to everything unless you get, like, the top trim. But these, they're not as light as the Civics. I think it's like 29 to like 3K. But, I mean, at the end of the day, it's still a Honda though. They have potential. The F-Series in these, you can turbo them and they hold up. Like, a lot of people do around 300 on stock. Now, I have heard people say that you can get way more by doing a G-Series, which what that is, it's a F-Series block with the H-Series head, because it pretty much just bolts right up, but it makes it from a single overhead cam to a dual overhead cam. And that, like, a lot of people get NA 250 from that, or like 230. That's what I've seen. But if you turbo them, they make way more. So, like, these cars have a lot of potential, but I don't see that many people building them or buying them. It's a fun car to drive though. It handles pretty well, surprisingly. It's really good on gas if you drive like normal. Why are we doing 35? It's a 45. It's a really good car. I mean to hit that. It's fine. Yeah, my reverse is the only bad thing about this car. Don't fucking work. God damn. The road looked fine until then. Fuck. Yeah, the car's slow as fuck. I'm okay with it being slow though if it's the daily. I just need to get the Lexus running. My goal is to have it running by summertime. Now that's kind of far away, but like, I don't have the money to go. I'm hoping to have enough to buy all the parts by the end of this month, where I can start it by the beginning of next month. But it just depends on how much I get paid each week. But if you don't know what I'm talking about with the Lexus stuff, go watch my previous couple videos. It pretty much goes over everything. Now, my Lexus project, it's an IS300 that I'm rebuilding that I bought from Copart. Now, right now, I'm going to go get some food. Then we'll probably go on like some back roads or something. Get some pulls in. Cause like I know this area, I know where cops sit. Okay, why the fuck are we doing 30? Oh, it's backed up. Now that's the fun thing about having a slow, like, manual car, is you can do pulls like that, but at the end of the day, I'm only hitting like 45. I think I just started in third. Nope. Yeah. This road's bumpy as fuck, but there's some nice turns. It is cold out, so I gotta be careful how fast I go around this. Don't have that much grip. Come on, people, you can go faster than this. Okay, we're going slow as fuck. do a small 0 to 60 pull and then I'll end the video there. Hopefully you guys can hear that, because I'll probably edit it that way. Keep it more entertaining. Quick little 0 to 60 right here.